If you're looking for an easier way to sew your plushie pieces together, look no further. Hobby Lobby has the answers. First, you're gonna want to go over to your knitting needles, and I'm gonna grab 2 of the smallest sizes they have, blue and pink. I already have blue and they work perfect, but I want pink as an option. And they're super affordable. They're only like $2.29 for a package of like 6. Now you're gonna wanna go to the rubber bead aisle and you're gonna grab a bag or 2 of beads. My daughter picked these. Right, so that's literally all there is. The rest, I really don't even have to explain. You just put the beads on the sticks like a skebob. I hope you love these as much as I love them. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.